Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. This one I've had on my camera for a while, so you'll still see some fall decorations even though I know it's Christmas, but hey, at least I'm wearing a Christmas sweatshirt here. But yep, I wanted to get this video up for you to get you some cleaning motivation, so let's get to it.
Not afraid to bring it up. We laugh when times are rough. All of is enough to carry us through. You bring me roses on a Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my head at bedtime. You know my favorite wine. This is why we work, why it's you and I. In the middle of the day, you turn waves on a big blue stormy sea. But still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. Baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea.